Okay, so this is my grandfather, Mary and Justo. There were 5
abuelos,
You can't tell this rest of you.
12 nietos, 15 bisnietos, 28 tataranietos.
And then this is our family tree.
El árbol de la familia.
So Nancy, yo, mi hermano o hermana.
Muy bien. Next.
Family pictures. And this is Nancy's father.
El padre de Nancy.
He was famous for playing the accordion.
Famoso.
And this is our family tree for my grandmother, the Nunes family.
La parte del árbol genealógico de la abuela.
No. Aquí no
And then
llega
these are
nadie.
photos of all of the Nunes family.
Toda la familia de la abuela.
One of my father's dreams was to take the journey that our grandfather had done and go around the tip of South America. So
Uno de los sueños de su padre era de recrear el viaje que hicieron e ir también por todo Sudamérica hasta el Pacífico.
So in 2003, my husband, my parents, and my aunt and uncle Julie and Dominic, we took the trip on a cruise ship and went around the tip.
So en 2003, con su marido, sus hermanos, los abuelos, hicieron el famoso viaje alrededor del
Solo falta que se le caiga encima.
Next page. I've been working with Manuel on MyHeritage to recreate our family tree, and he's been phenomenal with helping me to link up all of our families. There are many families with many links, all tied into the Belcoso and the Corredor family. So these are some of the other, these are the other families that are all Spaniards who came from Hawaii, who went to Hawaii from Spain.
Okay.
But they were from different parts of Spain.
Which ones are from Malaga?
The interesting ones.
Nunez, Valentine, I'm not sure, Quintus,
Irrigera?
Riguera.
Could be from Córdoba, it's a common name there. Okay. Dice que trabajó con Manuel para hacer sus árboles genealógicos. Y lo que pasa es que se encontraron que estaban casi todos parientes de otros españoles que se fueron, aunque no de Extremadura, de Andalucía, de Salamanca. Y todos estos todos están o forman parte de la familia Carlador Belcoso.
The other thing I put on this one, this is our medical history, and I thought this was important for you to be aware of, because sometimes we wonder how we got certain illnesses, and in our family, the number one problem that we have is Alzheimer's dementia.
The world over.
Mucho largo.
Ok, el historial médico de la familia, por si acaso algunos están interesados en genética. Hay muchos casos de Alzheimer.
The other big problem is thyroid.
Sí, cáncer de colon, problemas de tiroides, bipolaridad, epilepsia, problemas de corazón y cáncer. Next slide.
Intenta, por favor.
My parents belonged to a club, a Spanish club in Roseville, California. And this group was a very dedicated group to the work that Manuel has done. They wanted to promote in California the culture, the food, the whole legacy and passion of being a Spaniard. So they worked to hold events to promote this. And one of the things that they put together was a book called The Memories of Spain.
Okay.
Some of you might have a copy.
Sus abuelos son socios de un
Solo en
club en
primera
California para la promoción de la cultura española en general.
Lo he pagado también.
Van a todos los eventos, hablan de cultura, de comida, de la historia y publicaron
Me lo
un
pidió
libro que
ella.
se llama Memoria
Me
de
pidió que
España.
sí.
Es España en general.
Pero claro, yo no sabía que
So,
tenía ese
10 minutos.
in California, in the San Francisco, Northern California, all of these different locations all have Spanish clubs. But what happened that goes along with what Andrew said is they were the first generation, I'm the second generation. The first generation was passionate. Once they passed away, the second generation wasn't as connected to family legacy as we, and that's why I'm trying to be very involved and keep my family aware of our legacy and our heritage of Spain.
That's why we need the young people.
Exacto. Dice que estas ciudades del norte de California antes tenía club de españoles. Se reunía, participaba un montón de actividades. La segunda generación, casi todos estos clubes están semi-muertos. Y por eso ella, que es de la segunda generación, está haciendo esfuerzos, creando estos lazos con aquí y sus hijos y sus nietos para que no se pierda la cultura. Exactamente el mismo trabajo que hace el Club Universo Extremeño aquí en Extremadura.
So they also put together a Spanish cookbook. So there's also a
Y
Spanish cookbook.
publicaron hasta un libro de receta.
So as I said later, I will pass around a piece of paper. So if you want me to send this to you, a PDF file, a file online, I can send you a copy.
Ok, todos los que están interesados pueden enviar vía internet un PDF todo lo que está ahí archivado ahí.
So this is the cover of the Spanish cookbook. And
Es el cubierto de la primera página del libro de receta española.
These are the different pictures of festivals, and this is my father.
Es su padre delante del desfile en uno de los eventos. Hace muchas fiestas de flamenco, de carnavales, de cultura española en general.
Okay, next page. One of the things that's in this book, it talks about all the things that the Spaniards did to contribute to California. So these are all things that our families brought to California. So you can see all the things. One of the things that's interesting is Disney.
Walt Disney
Walt
was
Disney.
Spanish, a Spanish child adopted by an American family.
He was.
So we are responsible for Disney. Manuel, una pequeña sorpresa.
Okay, so next slide. So, I wanted to do something special for Manuel because he's been working on this for a long time. And we talked earlier about the passion of one person, the difference they can make. And he has made a big difference because this is so important to him to set up an event like this. So I want to recognize all the work and effort that he put into this. Also, is another person to recognize is Michael Monez. He lives in California. He's also a Hawaiian Spaniard. He is the one that put together the Hawaiian Spaniard Facebook account. And that's how Manu got started with him and finding out so much information about it, but he couldn't come. And then this is going to be our room leader for those of us that are going to Andalusia.
El viernes estará con nosotros Victoria.
Also, if you're not on the Facebook site for the Hawaiian Spaniards, please contact one of us and we'll get you the link and invite you to that site.
Okay. El primero, Mike Munoz, es decir, Munoz, como decimos aquí, es el que es el responsable en California de la página web, de todo el grupo, la recolección de información. Quiere agradecer a Manuel toda esta organización y dice que ella es tan consciente de lo que la pasión de un solo hombre, el deseo de unir y crear lazos puede tener éxito y funcionar. Y Miguel Alba, que estará con nosotros en Cáceres el viernes, es el profesor de la Universidad de Málaga que hizo la primera exposición y el libro de la inmigración invisible.
So, muchas gracias.
Muchas
gracias.
And tell
Oh, but don't speak in Spanish. We are only 1 hour and 27 minutes late. Out of schedule. Y ahora viene el otro Manuel, que es el director de la oficina de turismo de Jarandía, en our guide. Unidos. En este
And
lado.
the calendar goes with this that shows more pictures.
Tiene también el calendario de los parques nacionales que van con todo eso.
Thank you very much.
Vente a nuestra casa.
Sí,
Ya.
y si salgo vivo de
¡Ok, siguiente!
Vale. A ver. A ver. Vale, ya corto yo aquí.